సో లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మూమెంట్ జనరేటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ డిస్కస్ చేసినాం. That is the mx of t is equal to we are finding the theta by theta minus t or theta into theta minus t power minus 1 ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. And this is the moment generating function. We are finding the moments. Consider mu1 dash is equal to mx of t. mu1 dash is equal to d by dt of mx of t and t equal to 0. mu1 dash is equal to d by dt of theta into theta minus 1 over power minus 1 and theta equal to 0. Theta is a constant term out of the derivation. Theta into d by dt of theta minus t over power minus 1 and theta equal to 0. Minus theta and here minus 1 and theta minus t whole power minus 2 and t యొక్క derivation 1, t యొక్క derivation వచ్చేసి -1 జనరేట్ అవుతుంది, then t equal to 0 and this minus get cancel. Finally theta into theta minus t whole power minus 2 and t equal to 0. t equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే let theta into theta minus t whole power minus 2 t equal to 0. That means theta into theta minus 0 minus square and theta into theta power square and theta into theta square get cancelled. Finally 1 by theta, that is the mu1 dash is equal to mean. Again we are find out the variance depending on mu2 dash. So next consider mu2 dash is equal to d square by dt square of mx of t and t equal to 0. d by dt of the first derivation of theta into theta minus t whole power minus 2 and t equal to 0. This is the first derivation. We are doing again derivation. There are double derivation అవుతుంది. d square and double derivation. So theta is the constant. Theta is out of the derivation. d by dt of theta into theta minus t whole square and t equal to 0, and theta into and derivation minus 2 of theta minus t minus 3, and here minus 1 and t equal to 0, minus minus get cancelled. Finally we will get 2 into theta minus 3 and t equal to 0. Two into theta minus t minus cube and t equal to 0. T equal to 0, substitute just say 2 into theta minus 0 minus 3 and 2 theta already got it. Sorry, we have a theta. ఇక్కడ theta ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా theta ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ theta ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ theta ఉంటుంది. 2 theta and theta power cube. That means 2 theta by theta cube. Theta get cancelled. 2 by theta square is the mu 2 dash. Then we want to find out the variance, that is the mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. Here mu 1 dash is equal to 1 by theta, that means mean, and we want to find out the variance. Variance mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square, and mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash is 2 by theta square minus 1 by theta whole square, and 2 by theta square minus 1 by theta square. Finally 1 by theta square is the variance. Is the variance of the exponential distribution. Is the variance of the exponential distribution. This is all about the moment generating function of the exponential distribution. Then next we want to discuss about the characteristic function of exponential distribution. Characteristic function of exponential distribution. Here the probability density function of exponential distribution is given by f of x is equal to theta into e power minus theta into x, and 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to infinity, theta greater than 0. In this, theta is the parameter. This is all about this is the probability density function of exponential distribution, and we want to find out the characteristic function of exponential distribution. Characteristic function of exponential distribution, pi x of t is equal to expectation of e power I tx. This is the formula of characteristic function. We know about expectation of x is equal to integration x into f of x dx and expressed by e power I dx, and this is, and next phi x of t is equal to e power I dx into integration e power I dx into f of x dx, and pi x of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e power I dx into f of x dx. And next pi x of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e power I dx into f of x అంటే theta into e power minus theta x dx, and theta is the constant, and we can write theta into 0 to infinity e power I dx into e power minus theta into x dx, and theta into e power 0 to infinity బేస్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి. బేస్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి can write minus theta it and x dx, and this is also e power minus ax యొక్క derivation. You can write theta into minus of theta minus it and e power minus t minus theta it and x 0 to infinity. This term theta by minus theta minus it, and we can substitute e power minus infinity minus e power minus 0, and this is a 0 theta by minus theta minus it, and here infinity minus 1 like 0 minus 1 అని అంటే finally theta by minus theta minus it and 0 minus 1 అంటే minus minus plus, and theta by e theta minus it, or you can write theta into theta minus it power minus 1. This is the characteristic function of theta into theta minus it power minus 1. Here we want to find out the moments consider mu and dash is equal to minus I into d by dt of pi x of t and t equal to 0. Here minus I d by dt of theta minus it minus 1 and t equal to 0 minus I and derivation minus 1 theta into it and minus 2, and also we can write minus I and t equal to 0. T equal to 0, and here minus get cancelled. Finally, then write minus I square of theta minus it whole power square and t equal to 0. ఇక్కడ theta ఉంది, ఇక్కడ theta ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా theta ఉంటుంది. So here minus into I square theta minus it whole square and t equal to 0. Minus of minus 1 I square minus 1 minus of minus plus term theta minus it minus 2 and t equal to 0. Finally theta minus it whole square and theta equal to 0. Here theta, here also theta, ikkada theta ఉంటుంది. Theta into theta minus t equal to 0 అని అంటే I into 0 whole square అని అంటే theta into theta power minus 2 and that will be theta into theta square, that means 1 by theta, u and dash the mean of exponential distribution. Next, u2 dash I square and d by d square and dt square of pi x of t and t equal to 0. Minus I whole square and d by dt of first derivation. First derivation is theta I. Theta I minus theta I whole minus power minus 2 and t equal to 0. T equal to 0 generate అవుతుంది. And here minus I whole square కాబట్టి minus square ఉంది and I కి కూడా square ఉంది. అండ్ డెరివేషన్ తీసుకుంటే theta I ఉంది అండ్ డెరివేషన్ తీసుకుంటే minus 2 theta minus it whole power cube and again minus I and t equal to 0. And here minus స్క్వేర్ అయితే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది అండ్ I స్క్వేర్ అంటే -1 theta I -2 and theta minus IT whole cube and minus I ఇక్కడ అయ్యింది this minus get cancelled and minus 1 into I square 2 theta and theta I and t equal to 0 minus 1 and also minus 1 get cancel and 2 theta of theta and t minus t equal to 0 and t equal to 0 substitute చేస్తే 2 theta and theta minus 0 minus cube and 2 theta into theta minus cube 2 theta by theta cube get cancelled. We get the 2 by theta square is a mu 2 dash. We want to find out the variance. Variance mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. That means 2 by theta square minus 1 by theta whole square, 2 by theta square and 1 by theta square, finally 1 by theta square is the variance mu 2. This is all about today's class, exponential distribution, CF. So characteristic function of exponential distribution is completed and moment generating function also completed of the exponential distribution. Tomorrow we will discuss about CGF, cumulative generating function of exponential distribution, and additive property of exponential distribution, lack of memory and memoryless property of the exponential distribution, and properties of the exponential distribution. Complete అయిపోతుంది రేపు and remaining we have 3 distributions. One is beta and normal distribution, then after standard normal distribution, Cauchy distribution అంటారు. స్టాండర్డ్ Cauchy distribution. ఇంకొక 8 క్లాసెస్లో మనకు సిలబస్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. 8 or 10 క్లాసెస్లో మనకు సిలబస్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది.